What is up, guys? It's your boy Mike back with a short little video here. Today we are going to have some turkey. Just a random Sunday, and what I did was I put this in a brine 2 days ago. 20-pound turkey that's been brining for 2 days. Brine's basically just your mixture of salt and salt, brown sugar, orange. I mean, you can pretty much put whatever you want into this thing, this brine. Boil it up, cool down, and there you have it. What we're gonna do is cook this 10 minutes a pound in a oilless fryer. Trying to keep that breast, which one's the breast here, back away a little bit. Looks pretty good there. I'm just going to take some of the giblets here and throw in. What we do is we put a pot on the bottom here and then we use it for gravy. These things, brine in this turkey makes it pretty nice. Gives it a good flavor, and it's obviously pretty easy cooking like this. So we're basically just going to let that go. Be able to close the garage door there. So I went and cooked that about 3 hours. 20 pounds turkey, 10 minutes a pound, 200 minutes. That's, 3 hours and 20 minutes, something like that. So I'll keep you updated here on it. Let it go for a couple hours and we'll check it out. Okay, boys. It's been about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hours, something like that. Do not think she's done yet. Okay, boys, there she is, 3.5 hours. Got ourselves a nice looking turkey. Let's see here. We can see if we can get this out without losing it. Lots of juice in there, huh? Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. How's she look? Not too bad. I'll get this pot in here for gravy. Some of the drippings.